Premi Bhakta, how he relates to the people. That's the beauty about seeing Prabhupada live. Yeah, we can see a movie and stuff, but it's, the face. You can't. The camera is not catching all that because the eyes are so perfect, Because camera is only seen with lens. Camera sees with a lens and some disc to record what the lens is seeing. But the eyes of the devotee are seeing with the lenses of this human body, the optical nerves and the lenses. But they're seeing with the heart and with a devotional mind. So it registers so deeply, A certain kind of smile and the way he's interacting with each child, and this phenomenal personality. So this is one. You see the darshan. Darshan means to see the sadhu with your eyes, and darshan means to see the teachings that the sadhu puts in your ears. So many sadhus, they give darshan, they don't speak, but that's still beneficial. And Indians know that. They appreciate that, so they go. Kumbh Mela, everyone's running around taking darshan. Sadhus are sitting there in their asanas, in their tents, not even speaking. I'm in there a few times, I've seen. But so they're running, all the Indians are running from tent to tent, from camp to camp in the Kumbh Mela, Magmas. So the sadhu is giving his physical, trans-physical, let's say, darshan of his form or her form, and then speaking. And then that's the second darshan. Darshan means philosophy or teaching. So then you see the sadhu by hearing the teachings, then seeing the truth. If you see the truth of the teachings that received from the sadhu through the years, seeing that truth may set you free, may transform your whole life. Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra Hoy. Lava Matra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Seeing the sadhu is transforming, but so that darshan of physical seeing is transforming, but if you hear the sacred words and the realized words of the sadhu, they may transform your entire existence. You may enter the mukti path. You may leave the samsara chakra and enter the path of liberation by the words from the mouth of the sadhu.